Hey, good day everybody. This is an unboxing and review on these Skullcandy wireless earbuds. Here's everything that came in the box. This goes to the earbud case, and that looks like the USB. It's different kind of, yeah it is, different kind of a USB connector there. Okay, these things come with a little protective coating. I think that's just to protect the connections there, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull those off. And here's what they look like. Pulled that protective cover off those, and then just to charge it, this goes right in here. Okay, it's got that light going on there showing that it's charging. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pair these up with my phone, so I'm going to just go to my Bluetooth settings. Oh man, these things work awesome. First of all, they're noise canceling. These, I'm really happy with these. So as far as when you're pairing them up, you're going to want to look on your Bluetooth settings and look for JIB and then the word true. So the letters JIB and then TRUE and then XT2. Okay, now just to put them back in the charger, those red lights mean they have a good connection, so that the contact points are working really good, as they should. All right, I'm going to go over all the functions that these things are capable of. So if you want to track forward, if you're listening to music, you want to track forward, you take the right one and you just hold it down. You just take that button right there, push it and hold it down to go to the next song. If you want to, and that's just on the right side, if you want to go to the previous song, you do the same thing for the left side. Push that button and hold it down. If you want to activate the voice assistant, you can do that either on the left or right side, and you'll push that button here 3 times. 1, 2, 3, either side. Now as far as volume up, the volume up is on the right side, and how you do that, you're going to push it twice. With the right one, you just push that button twice. 1, 2, 1, 2, and it'll volume up. As you can imagine, volume down is on the left side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now for powering off, you just want to take and you can hold it down for 4 seconds, and it's on the left or right side. You just push that button, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it'll turn off. Now play or pause, same thing. For play or pause, you just push it once. So if you want to pause it, boom, once. To play it again, hit it again. And that goes for either side. You can do that with either one. As far as hanging up from your phone call, when you're done talking, just push it once. Left or right side will end the call. That goes for answering it too. You want to answer the call, you just push that once. So it's answer and end is what the function is called. Now as far as the case goes, it'll tell you like what level battery you have, and then for that light right here, I'll show you. Push that, 1, 2. That means it has medium battery. So if it just beeps once, it means you have low battery. If it beeps twice, you have medium, which is what I have right now. 3 flashes means it's fully charged and you have a full battery. And it'll beep when you open it up or close it. When you open it up, it tells you what your battery life is, and when you close it, it tells you what your battery life is. See there? Medium. So I'm going to put it on the charger for a bit. All right, you guys, these earbuds are awesome. If you're in the market for some, can't beat the price on them for what you get. Real good. Very happy with these.